What's going on, guys? Sorry for the wait. It has been longer than a week. I said I would always do my videos on Saturdays. I accidentally broke that rule. I was too busy joining the Travis Kelsey fucking event. All right, Grow Garden. Yes, I do play Grow Garden. I love Grow Garden. It is absolutely one of the best games on Roblox. But anyways, we're gonna go with my trading recap for this week. We are down around 3,000 on Take Profit Trader with Top Step, and for Top Step, I blew one of my accounts. Again, keeping this completely transparent. There's nothing to be ashamed of right here on my channel, especially. And yeah, let's get started. So, first off, we lost around $3,000 on this 2 weeks trading. We traded around Monday and Tuesday, and then I didn't trade for the rest of the week because market condition was not there. No, well, I traded on Friday, but that was just practice. Again, keeping everything transparent. Yes, I'm on the practice account right now. Don't worry, I am going to be switching over to Top Step very, very soon. I'm going to be completely transferring over to Top Step. I do think Top Step is better on my mental, better on my discipline, and overall just keeps me a better character instead of Take Profit Trader. I kind of want to trade more every day so I can get that 1 day payout. But yeah, let's get started. Let's explain some things, and yeah. So coming into Monday open, my bias was bearish for the day, right? My bias was very bearish for the day. We're on Monday, no news Monday, and I don't see the market going anywhere. So I'm very bearish, and that's why I also want to tell you guys something. I mainly switched. Sorry, I gotta drink some water really quick. But I mainly switched from having a daily bias within my model to not having one at all anymore, because I do believe daily bias sometimes does mess your mental up. And what I mean by that is, if you're, say, like on me on Monday, right here, we took two trades. Um, say we're bearish for today, right? You're gonna always keep wanting to look for a short reversal trade. And that's what I mean. Now some of you guys might go like, Austin, well, you could just look at the volume. You could just look at book maps. It's gonna go long, so you should just ride the trend. Are we dead ass? Are we dead ass? Anyone that catches this trend is just market open, just catching it, okay? You're not a good trader. You never will be. Because if you're literally just following the trend, you're literally just you're waiting, like you're praying and you're gambling that this stock doesn't reverse right now, right? So again, I'm gonna stop having daily biases. I had a daily bias here on shorts. You'll see on my next example as well. But yeah, over here hitting our highs within the day. I entered around here a bit early, seeing a slow down on momentum, especially with this candle. And overall, book maps showed very, very overbought on this area, and I entered off a 15-point short. It was kind of high, yes, but this one was higher. I set this one actually pretty much higher than this actually. But yeah, this is what I was looking at. Get stopped at almost instantly. Get I didn't really think of anything at this point. I just waited for the next trade, which was right here. Saw the chop, and then I kind of like knew I was gonna get stopped out, but you gotta let it play out sometimes. And yeah, three candle longs, and then we just chop all the way back into the upside. There we go. It does hit my zone perfectly right here that I marked out before. And yeah, so two losses here. I mean, I'm not too mad about it, you know. And then let's hop over to open, right? Open here. Oh, I get stopped out on this first candle, which I was pretty mad about because I knew it was going to be very, very heavy. Get stopped out here. I did not expect this other reversal right here. I kind of got greedy, and I kind of like went impatient. This trade would have hit, but then I took another trade around this area. I don't know why this is gone, but I took another trade around this area, gets stopped out as well for the shorts, and then reverses, and I kind of blew my account that day. We were already down hella, so I wasn't super mad about it. Again, there's nothing that you can really much do but improve next time, you know? I don't expect the market to dump that much. I shouldn't even be trading this, to be honest, because market like my other video that I made, market conditions, psychology, all of that was gonna psychology is gonna come up on the next video. But yeah, this I should not be trading this, right? I should not be looking for anything during that day. I should just get off. Now, hopping over onto Wednesday, didn't really take a trade here. This was just on the practice account, seeing some bullshit, right? Replay off of my zone, really quick scalps. And then let's hop over to Friday Open. This was me explaining some things to my students. Now, let's do Friday Open. Friday Open was pretty good. I took a very, very nice trade. Why is it here? We have a 5-minute bullish SMT. And then, yes, I do use SMTs. You don't really see it in my recaps because there hasn't been a lot forming, especially with the market always constantly going to all-time highs. So I haven't been like really utilizing SMTs, but yeah, this was definitely a confirmation. And then this area right here on TradingView, this was New York PM lows from from the day before. We see a sweep here. I enter off of longs, and yeah, this was a pretty good trade. 37 points, follows my model, and located an A+ setup. There's not much to talk about here, but yeah, this week's recap is pretty simple actually. There's not much for me to say. There's not much for me to like do anything about it. I will be making more videos soon, probably tomorrow. Or like as I'm recording this video, it's Sunday for me, so I'll probably record it Monday night, so Monday morning for you guys. You guys will probably see the video upload. Episode 2, it's either gonna be about psychology or it's gonna be about learning how to become a better trader, you know? Sorry. But yeah, that's mainly what we're gonna do. I'm sorry, I've been pretty busy recently with a lot of things. And what I said in my Discord, I am feeling much better about myself. Yeah, that's basically it. There's not much to go over. The recap today is we're down 3,000 this week, but this month we're still up around like 19,000, 18,000. Again, this is one of my bigger months. I like previously I did like 2 months. Like pre-summer, I did like 2 months without making any money, and then now I'm staying a bit more consistent. July, end of July, we're bringing in around 18,000, and then June we were kind of down around like 4,000, and then May I'm pretty sure May was down pretty bad as well. But we're staying more consistent using our model. And yeah, it's been going pretty good. I am working on something though. As you can see, I am practicing a lot. It has some hinting. If any of you guys want to join my Discord and join the premium channel, I will. Well, no one has joined yet. I don't really care. But if you do join, I will be talking a lot on there soon. Because on the premium channel, I'll tell you what I'm working on, and this is for very experienced traders, right? So yeah, I am currently working on that as well. So I'm not really upset with losing an account. It's completely normal. But yeah, I do hope you guys find this video helpful, keeping everything transparent, and taking good setups like these, right? Taking good setups. These are good setups, right? So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay interested in life. All right? Have a good day, and we'll catch you in the next video.